Good morning, it's Tuesday, May the 12th, and you're watching Chinese Small Cap TV here every day exclusively on ChinaSecurities.com. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Chinese Small Cap TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases out of the Chinese small cap sector in the AM so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. As always, I've got a great show lined up for you. I've got 4 great press releases for you. They all have to do with earnings, and they're pretty incredible earnings. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called China Natural Gas. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CHNG. The company is announcing their first quarter of 09 financial results. We've got some highlights which include revenues increased 32% to $18.5 million. Net income for the first quarter increased 50% to $4.2 million. Diluted earnings per share increased 53% to 29 cents per share. And as of March 31st, 09, the company increased cash and cash equivalents by $3.2 million up to $9.1 million, and that's compared to $5.9 million as of December 31st, 08. We've got some financial guidance coming from the company. They estimate full year 2009 net income will grow approximately 15 to 22% to a total of $17.5 to $18.5 million, and that's on their net income for 09. That's what they're anticipating. A little bit about the company. They're the first China-based natural gas retailing company publicly traded in the U.S. The company is last at $4.11, high of $7.33, low of $1.50, and the market cap of approximately $120 million. Moving on to our next company. They're called CTRP.com International. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol CTRP. They're announcing their first quarter 09 financial results. Some highlights include net revenues were $59 million, up 18%. Gross margin was 78% compared to 80% in the same period in 08, so down slightly. Income from operations was $20 million for the first quarter, which is up 23%. And net income was $18 million, which is up 23% year over year. As of March 31st, 2009, the balance of cash and short-term investments was $202 million. Very substantial number. A little bit about the company. They're a leading travel service provider of hotel accommodations, airline tickets, and package tours in China. Company's last at $32.81. High of $70, low of $16.41, and the market cap of $2.2 billion. Moving on to our next company, they're called ChinaCast Education Corporation. They're on the NASDAQ under the symbol CAST. The company is a for-profit post-secondary and e-learning service provider in China. Highlights from the press release include total revenue for the quarter increased 33% to $11 million. Gross profit increased 67% to $6.8 million. Net income attributable to the company for the quarter increased 146% year over year to $2.9 million. And EBITDA, and that's non-GAAP for the quarter, increased 165% year over year to $6.7 million. As of March 31st, 09, the company reported cash equivalents, and term deposits of $87 million. A little bit about the company. They're a leading for-profit post-secondary education and e-learning services provider in China. We know the Chinese put a big emphasis on education, so I'm assuming that's why the company has been doing incredibly well. Company's last at $5.05, high of $4.96, low of $1.59, market cap of approximately $180 million. Finally, moving on to Gulf Resources. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol GFRE. The company is announcing financial results. Once again, we've got net revenues of $23.6 million, increase of 7.3%. Gross profit was $10.1 million. That's a 7% increase over last year. Net income was $6.5 million compared to $6.1 million last year. And cash equivalents totaled $30 million as of March 31st, 2009. A little bit about the company. They're one of the largest producers of bromine in China. You're going to ask, what's bromine? It's used to manufacture a wide variety of compounds utilized in industry and agriculture. Company's last at 64 cents, 52-week high of $2.45, low of 15 cents, and a market cap of approximately $78 million. Now, we had 4 companies to report on, 4 earnings to report on. All incredible companies, very profitable, with tons of money in the bank. Take a look at them. My name is Paul Kandakos. I'm your host for today. Please make sure to tune in again tomorrow to Chinese Small Cap TV here on ChinaSecurities.com, where we'll have more incredible opportunities in the Chinese small cap space for you.